Hey everyone, so I'm deciding to do one of those videos because I'm super excited about this project that I'm working on. Um, so right here I have a stripped down Epiphone G-400 SG. Been playing it for about 12 years and it just didn't seem quite right, and so I want to kind of revamp it and put some new life into it. Right over there is my Line 6 amplifier that I've had for about the same time as this guitar. And I want to show you some of the parts that I've kind of putting in. So the old pickups that I had in them were just standard stock G400 pickups. I'm pretty sure they're double coil, but it's just their standard pickups. The bridge and then the neck that was giving me quite a bit of problems. I think one of the main reasons why I took this guy out and started this project. I took all the knobs out, and obviously all electronics are gone, minus the wire that goes to the bridge for the bridge ground. Took out all the Grover tuners, and then I'm gonna replace them with some Cludson or Clusion, whatever, how you ever say that. And then some of the other stuff I want to keep. And what I bought was two pickups. So I have the Fat Cat Seymour Duncan single coil pickup, which I'm pretty excited about. Some people said that it has a really thick tone, and I think it will be really great paired with this 59 model humbucker, which I'm also really excited about. I'm trying different ones. And then over here, I know there's like a decent bit of hype associated with capacitors and things like those. These are my two old capacitors that were in the old electronics. Can't really see the part number very well, but they're 22 .0022 microfarad or 22 nanofarad capacitors, and I don't really know what is really the best capacitor to go. So what I'm going to do, I have two other sets of capacitors coming in, and I'm going to try all 5 of them on a rotary switch, and then try to see which one I think is the best. Obviously, I have more parts coming in, and then I got to kind of see how all this works together. But in a later video, you'll see hopefully me putting all this stuff together, putting it in the guitar.